Memories fade, but they're never lost.
Isang karangalan para sa akin ang mapili at koronahang Mr. CAFA 2010. They choosing me to have the title even though my other co-candidates are deserving too. It is happy but hard to represent CAFA in Mr. and Miss TUP Manila. Happy because you can build a new circle of friends, new company, and new moments that you can share with. You can encounter inspiration or even love if goes on way. You can also encounter problems, like arguing that result to hard feelings with your co-candidates. I hope that the next Mr. CAFA will defend the crown and continue to give pride to our college. He should be a good role model to his fellow student. Mr. CAFA is not just a title and crown. It is about the tasks and challenges that come with it. As I walk through the stage, I would like to thank the people who supported me in my every competitions. To my stage mother, Naichine Bagus, thank you po ng sobra for giving me strength to fight for the crown and not just for the crown, and also for the advices to be a good citizen. Thank you for scolding me sometimes for the failure I've done. It molded me as a good person. Kay Ate Maika Anacensa for being the best partner in the Face the World. Thank you for providing the materials we use to make our wear awesome in Mr. and Miss TUP Manila. Thank you sa pagtitiis at pagtsatsaga bilang partner mo to represent CAFA. Thank you, Ate, for making our college proud as you won the title as Miss TUP Personality, where different branches of TUP were compete for the title as I've said. Thank you, Shade.